What's the meaning of bootstrap? Bootstrap. Bootstrap.
Bootstrap. Bootstrap. In computing, bootstrap refers to the process of starting up a computer system by loading and initiating the necessary operating system programs. The term comes from the phrase pulling oneself up by one's bootstraps, which means achieving success through one's own efforts. In practical terms, the bootstrap process involves executing a small piece of code called the bootloader, which is stored in non-volatile memory on the computer's motherboard. This code then loads the necessary components of the operating system into memory, allowing the computer to begin performing its intended functions. Overall, the bootstrap process is critical for enabling modern computers to operate effectively and efficiently.